Hello, on today's tutorial I will show you a sample program from isCOBOL 2014 R1 that demonstrates how to read the contents from a directory. The routines I am going to demonstrate from the main samples program from isCOBOL are the DirScan start, the CBL DirScan read, and scan end. Let me run the sample program, and as you can see in this screen we are showing the list of files in the current directory using these three routines. Let me show you now the source code for reading contents from a directory. The first thing is a handle to point to the directory we are reading, the pattern of what we are searching on that directory, the kind of search we are doing, and a special structure for every file that we find in the directory. We are going to store its information in this structure. Now let me go to the paragraph where we are actually reading the contents from the directory. The first thing to do is we are saying which pattern to look for in the current directory. Look for all files. The size of the pattern is just 3 characters in this case, and we are saying to search with wildcards here. Then we need first to call the first routine, scan start, to start this whole scan from the read. At the very end we need to close everything and release everything, calling the CBL DirScan read, and then on a loop we need to use the scan read to read every next file in the directory, and the scan end to finish. And of course the return code from the call will tell me if we are being successful in the call to the routines, and if not, then we stop. And let me show you now how to run this sample from the IDE. I am going to select everything, Ctrl C to copy, and now let me open the IDE. I will create a new source file in this Veryant project, cbl scan.dir.cbl, enter, and I will select everything and replace with Ctrl B, and now scan.dir, let me change this internal name here to match the external. And another change I will introduce: instead of reading the current directory, let me change to read the TMP directory on my C drive, and use a longer length here. I am ready. I am going to save this change, compile the program, and run the program as an isCOBOL application. And you can see how now from the IDE I am reading all the contents from the CTMP folder. Here they are. And this is how easy it is to scan the dir contents from any directory using isCOBOL 2014 R1. Thank you.